Y'all know I'm a physicist, right? And one of the big things I tried to do with my Space Jam entry is to make everything at least scientifically plausible. The probes that the trio finds are basically RTGs and have long-term power sources. But I made a mistake in one of the details. Remember the scene where Vex walks up to the probe and starts hearing an alarm go off, indicating that this thing is giving off radiation, right? Here's the thing. They were on a barren planet with no atmosphere and no magnetosphere. That means that the surface of that planet is constantly getting irradiated by its star's solar wind. So in reality, that alarm that they were hearing should be constantly going off just from the solar wind and cosmic ray particles. When I initially wrote the script with Rayo, I initially had it where a Geiger counter was supposed to play to indicate the radiation. But then later on in the process, I made this realization that the Geiger counter would be constantly going off. So I decided to take out the Geiger counter and have a more nondescript warning sound be played. And the hand wavy argument is that the Nova Beasts had equipment that was calibrated to already account for cosmic ray particles and solar wind and all that, so it was able to pick out the new radiation from the beacon. It's a mistake that not many people will pick up on, but I know it exists. But that's the thing about a film jam. You have to make a whole video in a short amount of time. Mistakes are gonna happen. So it is what it is.